Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to enable strategic workforce planning. Strategic workforce planning is a driver-based system that helps you ensure that you have a workforce with the right skills at the right time to support your organization's strategic objectives. With strategic workforce planning, you can proactively project future workforce trends and identify gaps in your workforce against your strategic goals. Before users can start strategic workforce planning, enable the features you want to use. Based on your selections, dimensions, drivers, forms, and other artifacts are created. You select which level of granularity you want to use, either the job or employee and job option. Choose from the option that best meets your business needs. If you later enable workforce, which is used for labor cost planning, the granularity selections you make now for strategic workforce are also used. I'll select employee demographics so that I can analyze employee attributes, such as veteran status, gender, and age band. Ensure that you select employee demographics the first time you enable features. After selecting strategic workforce planning, both demand and supply planning are also enabled. Demand planning calculates the workforce needed to meet strategic objectives using your demand drivers and targets. Supply planning calculates the expected turnover for the existing workforce. I'll select Demand Driver Scaling Factor to enable planners to scale demand planning to account for a change in worker efficiency over time gained from their experience. With Expected Productivity Gains Factor, planners can adjust the anticipated demand for strategic personnel by factoring in possible gains in productivity. These gains go beyond that of the demand scale and could be due to an improved process or new technology. With supply planning, you'll look at what's going to happen with your current workforce, for example through retirement or natural attrition, to determine if you'll have enough people to meet your objectives. You can select age-based retirement if you selected employee and job granularity. With skills assessment, we can analyze the skills of our employees and rate those skills to evaluate if our current workforce can meet our strategic goals. We'll enable average compensation. You load the average compensation rates to calculate a high-level financial impact on the supply and demand plan. You can map or rename dimensions to align them with the structure of your business. You can also add custom dimensions. I'll rename Union Code so that I can use it for something else. Keep in mind that the enabled and renamed dimensions apply to workforce labor cost planning too. After reviewing your selections, you can proceed with the enable process. After the enablement process completes, log off and log back on to see your changes. You can now access strategic workforce planning from the home page. In this tutorial, you saw how to enable strategic workforce planning. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.